Hello, hello, hello. The news for this month, the news for this month is about Johnny Depp. Johnny Depp is the best person in town because he is a fisherman. And the nice thing about this is that he goes to his basement. The basement is sand bricks basement, and it is made of sand bricks, adobe, sand bricks, the one you see in Europe and Mexico. Sand bricks, and then he made a juice potion that you will make poop. You will poop a magic stone that makes gold and diamonds, and they will be marked by spirals. You know, the hair on your back, spirals, and the diamonds are so hard to smile, and there's a billion people want to buy those golds and diamonds.